Hello everyone, my name is Mahmoud Hussain and I just wanted to show you uh, the latest progress that I've made uh, when I was working with Jack Wilson's SCD lab. And then I thought, why not uh, extending it to AI agentic workflow? Like, let's just go to what I've done, and I think it'll be clear. So Jack was creating a player SCD, which is SCD type 2. And if you have worked on that particular lab, you will have that SCD, and it just looks like this, if I'm not wrong. So it's slowly changing dimensions. All are tracked here. And for that, we ran a pipeline which looked like this, and it just populated the new players SCD table, right? So now what I wanted to do is get that data and push it into a graph database. Uh, I use Neo4j for that. So just let me show you the script that I used. So for getting the data and to push that to the load that to graph database, and yeah, creating all the nodes, like all the fields like that. And yeah, you can give the query to if you want. So after pushing that to the graph database, it looks like this. Just showing you few queries that I wanted to get: the scoring class, end season, all. Um, I wanted to see the end season when the year was 2000, and it looked like this. You can change it to different other values, like is active or end season, like that, and you can get the relationships here. I mean, just wanted to play around the graph database, how it looks like. And okay, slow. Okay. Uh, this is another view that uh, database. It shows all the relationships of a player with uh, different act, player state, like whether he was active or not. And yeah, you can like adjust them according to your need. But yeah, I will just show you three queries that I did. Uh, yeah, this one I've showed you already, and this is what this is. Oh, this is another one, I think. Yeah, the end system, oh, kind of the same thing. Okay, and this is another one that's really interesting about like each individual players different values of each individual players, like different states and all. It shows the relationships with different nodes, whether he was active, inactive, what was the start here and everything. Although, like, it is showing each of the things separately, but you can make relationships. if you do the proper query, right? So I just wanted to play around the graph database. And then what I thought, in the graph database, we have the knowledge graph now, and we can create an agentic workflow which will get the data from this graph database, and through Crew AI, along with Groq LLM, it will be able to like analyze the data and recommend strategies and something. So for that, I created uh, this player analysis Crew uh, program that gets the data and plays the roles as performance analyst, pattern detective, and strategy advisor, right? It gets the data. For experimentation, I just fetched 10 players data from that graph database, and then ran through this. So for each task, we have defined the prompts, analysis task, pattern task, strategy task, and all. We used Crew AI for the orchestration. And yeah, that's about it. Let's see what it can do, right? So if we run the main program, now it's fetching all the data from the knowledge graph, and it's using the LLM to do all the agentic tasks that it has given to. So let's wait for the output and see what happens. Let's check this out. Like agent performance analyst. Uh, uh, so performance analyst output here, we can see then pattern detective, patterns in the player's data, and then the strategy advisor we can see. So the finally we can get the output like this, which is great. Like knowledge graphs and agentic workflows. Love this tool, love this integration. So what could have done more is like make a pipeline that will run. It will get all the backfills from the database and insert that into the knowledge graph, and then run the agentic workflow. That would be wonderful. Probably I will do that someday. But look at this. Look at this output here. Team level improvements. It's the strategic advisory from that agent. Uh, yeah, it's kind of saying that emphasizing long range, short training in team practices, uh, group specific training strategies. It thought that they're in a group, so the 5 mid-range scorers maintain their consistency while encouraging gradual transition. Great. Performance optimization. It has given some strategy too for that. Yeah, so this is what I just wanted to show. Like get the slowly changing dimension data, and that then pushing it to the knowledge graph, and then using LLM with agentic workflow would be a wonderful idea, probably. Uh, Maybe we can do some more. Let's see. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you again. Thank you.